With competition growing within the holiday home dealership sector, your business needs to stand out to your customers. And to do that, a slick sales journey needs to be set up to include a streamlined process which would facilitate an exceptional aftercare service. After all, dealerships require a complex series of processes to take place at the same time to function at full capacity. Unsurprisingly, as soon as one of those processes fails, the whole system starts to struggle. This is especially true when we're using unintegrated software solutions, pen and paper, or just simply relying on our memory. Introducing EliteDealers. We created EliteDealers to help all dealerships throughout the leisure home industry digitize their processes across the business without losing the personal touch your customers love. Manage quoting, sales, invoicing, customer service, after-sales, reporting and analytics in one easy-to-use, fully integrated solution. Gain full control over your business from the lead stage all the way through to invoice and after-sales management. Built on Microsoft Dynamics 365 technology, EliteDealers is backed up with the assurance of Microsoft and powered by the industry knowledge and experience of Elite Dynamics. EliteDealers ensures that your business can react effectively to your customers' requirements in a timely manner, whilst at the same time storing customer data and communications for record keeping and reporting. Spend less time on manual tasks and more time focusing on your customers with EliteDealers. The customer portal offers your customers 24/7 access to submit and monitor the progress of their after-sales tickets, with a 360-degree view on their progression. What's more, your support team can easily monitor customer communications and respond accordingly. EliteDealers was built so that you can understand the bigger picture. An in-depth reporting module gives your team the ability to quickly create fully customizable dashboards to analyze information at all levels of the business, allowing you to make informed decisions with full confidence and no delay. Elite Dynamics is a trusted provider of Microsoft Dynamics-based IT business solutions to the park and leisure home industry. As a customer of Elite Dynamics, you can always expect the best in consistent first-class support. An extensive training program, a thorough implementation consultancy process, and ongoing customer service aftercare are just a few of the ways we're here to support you. Get in touch today to digitally transform your holiday home dealership.